Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine as always. So, students, today we are going to complete this block visualizing story details. And this part is retelling a story, means how to retell a story. Okay, retell, tell and retell. Got it? Okay, so this is our aim. Retell a familiar story in sequence using sensory and the keywords are, we have some keywords also: retell, sequence and sensory details. You know what is this sensory? This is related with sense, what we feel, what we can touch, we can smell, we can hear, we can taste. Okay, so this word is called sensory. So first I want to read something. So this is also a part of your activity, and I am going to read something. Listen very carefully. Peter Rabbit went to Mr. McGregor's garden. He ate some vegetables. Mr. McGregor saw him and chased him. Peter ran and ran, finally made it out of the gate safely. He went home and promised himself that he wouldn't be naughty again. He wouldn't be naughty again. Okay, so have a listen now. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you some questions about this paragraph. Was the story I read very interesting? Yes or no? Say I'm listening. Okay, do one thing. You have your comment section as well. Every day you have to respond there. So you need to just send question number 1. The answer of that is yes or no. Okay, so I'll get the answer from there. Was the story I read just before very interesting? And what was missing from it? What was missing part? So you have time, just guess the answer. Let me share. No, it was not interesting. There were no details about what Peter saw, heard, felt, and tasted. Because of this, it was hard to imagine the story. It was a really simple, some lines there. So it is hard to imagine the story. So these are your sentences starters. How sentences can be starts. So today we are going to retell the story using details from the 5 senses and the order words that we have learned. Okay. So I want to show something. Okay, let me tell you first a bonus question. What is the other word for scarecrow? What is the other word for scarecrow? Okay, find the answer from 4 options. So this is an activity. These are instructions. Listen carefully. Write 5 sentences that have 5 senses involved. Okay. Write 5 sentences that have 5 senses involved. So this answer you are going to write in comment section. Write 5 sentences. Simple sentences will be there, but it should be 5, and you have to send me in comment section. You can stop here, just write it down in your notebook, complete your video and send me in the comment section. I'm waiting. Okay. So these type of sentences also you can write. The smell of caught fish from the fishing boat. So this is sense of smell. The faint taste of salt on the breeze. Sense of taste. The screeching, hurrying gulls. Sense of sound. And the slippery rocks. Sense of feel or touch. Okay, so you can also write like this kind of sentences, and you can also start your sentences like this. Peter Rabbit saw Peter Rabbit heard. Mr. Macmillan saw. Mr. Gargi, Mrs. Gargi heard, tasted. So you have to make some other sentences, but you are going to use these kind of senses. Okay, and time order words also are there. First, next, then, after that, suddenly, meanwhile, later, and finally. I hope you are doing good and you are completing your work, and listen very carefully. This week you are not going to get your PDF of your worksheet and content book. Okay, so in the first day I told you please complete your work at the time, and whenever you feel any trouble just send me in comment section. I'll try to solve it immediately. Okay, I'm speaking again and again, repeating again and again. Follow the instructions. So each sentences that you say should have a sensory detail or a time order word, या फिर आपके सेंटेंस में एक सेंसरी डिटेल होना चाहिए या फिर टाइम ऑर्डर वर्ड होना चाहिए. सो जस्ट sit properly and write some sentences with the use of that. This is your activity of the day. Got it, everyone? Okay, great. So let's move. Today we have to now activity discussion. What we did, just have a look in our activity. Who are the family members in Peter's home? And what did Peter's mother tell all the rabbits? What she said? And what happened in Mr. McGregor's garden? And what did Peter decide after he escaped? You have 4 questions. Okay. So first you are going to write answer of these 2 questions. You have a notebook or extra notebook. Just mention there. This is who are the family members in Peter's home? Tick, 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 tick. Take few seconds. You can pause it. What does Peter's mother tell all the rabbit? You know very well. Just write it. Done now? Then open it. What happened in Mr. McGregor's garden? क्या हुआ था वहाँ पर? Remember? Just right. And what did Peter decide after he escaped? What he decide? Just write it. Done? Okay, let's discuss. Don't wait for the discussion. Just complete as well as you are writing. You are having your pencil there. Just complete it. Okay. Peter had 3 other siblings named Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. Okay. Peter was caught stealing Mr. McGregor's vegetables. So he was chased around until finally managed to escape. After Peter escaped, he decided to stop being naughty and listen to his mother. आप लोग भी यही करते हो? So please learn something from Peter. So these are your keywords that you are going to use for making the sentences, please. Why is it important to give details about the senses? Why? And why is it important to say what happens to the character in the right order? Why these both things are important? Let's see. It is important to give details about the senses because without it, the story will be incomplete and the reader will not be able to imagine the story. Okay? To retell the story correctly, it is important to say what happened to the character's order. The time order words help to connect the sentences together as well. So now, as always, the hot question is there. What would a story be like without actions in a sequence? And what would a story without details from the sense be like? Listen carefully. Without a sequence of actions, nothing would happen in a story. It would have no plot. It would be hard for us to imagine the story without a descriptions of sights, sounds, and feelings. Students, are you listening to me now? Are you listening me? I hope you are enjoying and you are listening very carefully. So please complete your work. So this is your practice work. Study audibles, okay, and sensory details also. Complete your S3 page number 18 and do practice question number 4. And let me explain first your worksheet. Retelling a story, use the order words to write a summary of the story. Also include details about what Peter Rabbit saw, felt, heard, smelled and tasted. And second number, it is checklist. So please check your list. And then your content book, it is there. Question number 4. Okay. One paragraph is there. Read the story and answer the questions A to C. You have one more story. It is there in page number 11 content book. So read the story and find all 3 answers. And you are going to write the answers in notebook. Okay. So complete your work at the time. And check after completing your work. Okay. So thank you. Have a good day.